Hi everyone, so let's proceed. So where were we? Let me go to my Instagram page first, okay, to check out the inspiration. So this was the design, right? So we have designed this storage cabinet. We have designed the tables as well, okay. We have designed the panels, okay, both the panels. Now we need to add a bed, okay. Now for bed, actually the thing is we don't model the bed whenever we are creating the scene. Basically there are lots of website available online, so we just download the already made model there, okay. So you don't have to actually waste your time there. So we have sites like Zeal projects. Let me go to this. Yeah, see, download 3D models, okay. Now here you can see that you can actually download the models. So I need furniture, I need uh, let me, yeah, cabinets over tablet bar bed. I need to go to the bed, and you can actually select any bed as per your theme, whatever you like, okay. See, like this is similar to a bed design, I guess. Yeah, let me open it out, okay. And you can even go and check out more such models, and these are the high definition, you can say high quality models, and they are actually very heavy poly models, okay. So if you want that your file will not get too heavy, then there is an alternate, is that our Cosmo, okay, this is not, yeah, this is Cosmo browser. They actually have their own library. You can use these models as well. However, their quality is not that, you can say, um, they are not high poly models, so their quality is little down as compared to those models which we are actually getting on the websites, okay, because those websites are actually made for specifically models. So you want really great models with high quality, you can go there. But if you just need to showcase that, yeah, like this, you can see these are really low quality models, but you can actually use them. There is no issue in them, because if you just want to showcase to your client that this is the bed area, you don't need to have that much quality of the bed. But yeah, to create a high quality 3D, you should use high poly models, high good quality models, okay. So for the time being, let me just check out this bed. I guess it actually resembles with our inspiration. I'm just showing you how to you can use this, how you can place everything to create the whole scene, okay. I will also show you that how you can actually use all these high poly models as well. So to get the high quality real 3D, while I was working in my company, so we used to use those high quality models, because obviously we used to work on actually animations. So we used to create walkthroughs. So on those walkthroughs we can't use less quality material, so we use high quality material there, because it will actually reflect in our, okay, video, okay. So you can see this is the bed. However, I can't see because the bed they have actually converted into the box like arrangement, okay. For that you can actually go to its property, I guess. I need to, yeah, this is a Prona proxy actually. What do you mean by proxy? Basically it's a whole another topic. I will explain it in another video. However, right now I will just show you that why it is showing like a box, because we have actually make it here wire bonding box. Okay, you can actually make it full mesh if you want to check out the whole bed. So yeah, here is my bed, and let me press. Yeah, so you can see how heavy this poly is. Still it is really big mesh, but of course it is a proxy, so it will actually don't create that much load on my file. Okay, proxy is actually uh, really, you can say, it's actually shows as a high mesh model, but it actually is not that much, you can say, heavy for my file. Okay, it is a way to reduce the file size. Okay, so we can actually make it, first of all, just let me change the its direction. Okay, so we need like this. Now I will just go and place my bed, so you can see that my bed actually need this much space. So if I have to place the bed, I need actually to decrease this dimension. Of course, I have shown you that I have just make them randomly. They were not as per the size which actually exists, so we can actually reduce them. Okay, because the model we are having right now, bed is 6 by 6 generally. Okay, so you can even check that how much size do we have for the bed. So it's almost that size, so it means that our storage, that we need to adjust them. Obviously I don't have the CAD for this file, I was actually creating the model randomly, so that's why we are facing this issue. But if we have the CAD file, then we don't face such issues, because we have the measurement of every, you can say, every SS3 which is going to be placed in our uh, bedroom. Okay, or you can say our uh, property, whatever. Okay, so I will just place my bed here. Yeah, let me go to the camera to check out. Okay, so actually we have placed the bed like this. Actually this bed should go like this. Yes. Now seems you can see that our table is too much in height. Okay, so we need to reduce the height as well. So here you can do one thing, either you can go with every vertex, or you can just reduce its size from the z direction, because my table is way too big. I will just reduce its size. Still this problem we are facing because we don't have the dimension. If we have the dimension, then you don't have to resize them again and again. Okay, so let me just resize this table as well, or you can just instance that table here. Okay, now if we go to the camera, yes. Okay, let me just do one thing. I will just take out this table and we take its instance. Okay, how we can take instance? Just select the object, press the shift from your keyboard and just drag it out. Okay, now see, I think we need to adjust little. Okay, we will check out with the camera view what we can do. Okay, after that. Okay, now so I'm particularly done with almost everything, I guess. So we have created the panel, all the wall designing we are done. Now we can actually move to the almirah. Let me check again if we have missed something. So this panel is done, this panel is done, storage is done, to table is done. Okay, we have placed the bedroom as bed as well. Now we need to just go to this wardrobe. Okay, and this table, okay, which has been created here. Now for wardrobe, it's totally up to you whether you want to use the model or you can even design it by yourself as well. Okay, so the simple wardrobe is like you can create as per the dimension we having right now with us. So let us check how much wall do we have with us. So this much wall we have with us. Okay, left. So I will just take a rectangle. Uh, Wardrobe basically it around 4 feet in width. So let me check. Sorry, 2 feet. Okay. Okay. So we don't need to change it. We need to change the length. 2 feet. And here I can see how much 6 feet wardrobe we can have here. Okay. So almost 6 feet space we are having with us. Okay, and 2 feet width. And after that you can do the partition of your wardrobe. You can design it as per your design. What is the design of your wardrobe? So right now I will just do one thing. I will just select my wardrobe. So this was my wardrobe. I will go to the isolate mode. For isolate mode we need to press Alt Q. Okay, now I will give it height. So let me extrude it. So obviously height is totally up to you, how much height do you want to give to your wardrobe. So let's see, 8 feet or 7 feet maybe ideal. Okay, let's check in the camera as well. So you can, we still have some space left over there, so you can even have the full wardrobe till the ceiling, or you can have the wardrobe up to the 7 8 and then you can have cabinets over it. Okay, so it totally up to you how you want to. So for simplicity, what I'm going to do, let me have the 10 feet wardrobe with us. Okay, we will be having some cabinet and obviously the wardrobe partition. Now how to create it? If you want to design your own wardrobe, you can actually got the design done and then you can create the same design here. Now I'm just creating the simple wardrobe. How you can do it? Suppose, yeah, for that I have suppose 7 feet wardrobe and then I have some cabinet over it. Okay, now to make that partition I just convert it into the editable poly. We go to the edges. I just need to connect these edges I will just place it here for the reference. Suppose this is the size of my overhead cabinets, and now I need to just add my cabinet here as well. Okay, I will just connect it. How much connection do you want to give? I guess this much is okay. So I have 3 cabinets here, and for this I will also connect. Okay, we'll just connect once. Connect, reduce it to 1, take like this. Okay, so I have 2 cabinets over and 3 cabinets down. Now the same thing, I will select all the edges and will do some to give it some depth. Okay, I will just go to the extrude first, and I need to go to this view to check out the extrude. Now let me, yeah, 24 is way too much. Let's have -5 extrude. And here as well 5. Let me go to the top view. To check out how much depth it actually giving. So I guess it's good to go, right? 5 mm. Yeah, let me check out this as well. Yeah, so done. Now I will just chamfer. To check the chamfer as well, I need to go to the side view of my wardrobe. Now just let me check. My geometry should not get distorted. Make sure you are taking care of that. We will just increase this to give it smooth surface. Okay. So I guess from here my geometry is getting distorted. I guess good to go. So my wardrobe is ready. If you have something, particularly some design, then you can actually design it. But I have given you the clarity that how you can actually create a simple basic wardrobe in 3ds Max. Okay, of course our camera angle is not that much. I just let me increase the camera. Okay, let me select the camera. Here you will actually get the option that I have just restricted to the camera. Now I can only select cameras. Okay, so I will just go to the top view. I will just go to the setting, show the camera 3. This is my camera. Go to its settings. I need to increase the view. me increase it. Okay. Mm-hmm. Clipping. Let me increase some clipping. Okay. So actually this is our bathroom wall, which is actually getting in between. So just try to have my camera like this, and I will increase the clipping little bit. Okay. So my space is less, that's why I'm not able to actually make that angle. We need to see how we can actually place our some, and we need to find out any other angle to create this. Okay. So we will see about it. Okay, what we can do regarding it. Let me do something like this and check out how does it look. I can increase the camera angle, but it obviously stretch. It will stretch my space. You can see it is seems to be stretched right now, right? So that is the issue we are facing. So basically, your space should be enough to set the camera also. So my space is little less, not able to have that angle, but we can have the straight angle, front angle. Okay, so we will check about this. So you can see right now we have done the adjustment. Okay, one thing we need to make sure that my mirror is here and my wardrobe is here. So I need to actually start the design from next to the wardrobe. Okay, so we can simply go select my geometry and I will just place it here, and I will just move it. My design actually start from here after the wardrobe. Okay, so we will resize it. Okay, so I hope you have got the idea till now. So my one wall is almost done. I just have to do the some rearrangement. Basically I guess we need to remove this storage because our space is not that much enough. It will not actually accumulate it, or we need to change the wardrobe from here. Okay, because my space is left, and this space is actually really big. That's why we have wardrobe, mirror, panel and everything here, but this space is not that much big. Either I have to create the uh, bigger bedroom, or we can do some changes in the design. Okay, I hope we are clear till now. Thank you so much. So we will see in the next tutorial. Thank you.